Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, Northern Middlesex County, Northwestern New Haven County, Putnam County in southeastern New York until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dover Plains to near Wingdale to near Farnstock State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Carmel and Sherman around 5:40 p.m. Brewster and New Fairfield around 5:45 p.m. Danbury and Brookfield around 5:50 p.m. Southbury and Newtown around 5:55 p.m. Middlebury around 6 p.m. Waterbury and Walcott around 6:05 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Here is a special